Hey folks, and welcome to DevTrends. Today we're gonna talk about a bunch of new releases: Node.js version 10, V8 version 6.6 and NPM version 6. So Node.js hit another major release following its schedule, and this time number 10. And this release will be a long-term support release. And this means Node 10 will stay active and receive updates for 2 years from now, and then we'll go to so-called maintenance mode, where it will receive only critical updates. So anyway, you can get known with Node release schedule in the corresponding GitHub repository. The link to it will be in the description. And now let's switch to major features of new Node. So first of all, this release is more of incremental improvements, featuring a lot of optimizations and minimum of breaking changes. And this update also features first production-ready release of an API, an improved API for building native C++ add-ons for Node. It is out from experimental state and now considered to be fully stable. And the benefit for end users from it is that Node modules won't be broken anymore after bumping your Node version, so the upgrade is a lot easier now. And another improvement is that Node 10 switched to OpenSSL version 1.1, and this means huge list of upgrades of OpenSSL available right now in Node, including new cipher and authenticator, and seamless switching to version 1.1.1 in the future. There are a bunch of changes as well from this time. And Node 10 also includes big performance improvements. It contains V8 version 6.6 release, which makes asynchronous functions as fast as the sugared promises, while adding huge boost to both of them. And this release also polishes array methods such as array reduce and adds new string prototypes such as trim start and trim end. And other features of V8 6.6 include improvements in offloading JavaScript tasks to the background thread, thus relieving main thread for more important work. And also this Node release features the first experimental support of promisified native modules. This time is file system. It exposes methods to work with files and directories with promises and async await. And the first step of promisifying native components was the release of util promisify, as we know. And Node.js team is moving forward to leave callback hell behind even in native code base. It won't be a one-step switch, but eventually we'll see all the modules in promises where it is applicable. And there is also an update to Node.js errors and error handling. Before Node 10 it was very difficult to check errors because there were almost no meaningful error codes, like only messages like this one. So this means that we had to rely on them to build our application error handling mechanics, and Node team couldn't update these messages without breaking changes. Even such a message had a small typo in it. But now every error has a meaningful code in it, so we can just refer to the error code instead of message, and we can refer to it without some nasty checks like this message stuff here. And along with the release of Node 10, next major version NPM is now live as well. NPM 6 is not in Node 10 yet, but will be included soon. Version 6 focuses on performance stability and security, and NPM has recently acquired Node Security Platform, which is a company working on improving safety of JavaScript and Node ecosystems. And first results of this merge are available in NPM 6. It's a special command named npm audit, which goes through all of your dependencies and helps you to track possible vulnerabilities in your NPM packages. This is the first part of the upcoming security overhaul of NPM, and definitely not the last one. Also, NPM 6 brings a lot of performance optimizations, and as blog article states, it's now up to 17 times faster than NPM was just a year ago. You can install NPM 6 right now with npm install global latest, but it's generally a good idea to wait a bit till this NPM release is included in Node.js itself. So that's all for today, folks. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching and stay trendy!